Hello.
I'm back.
Come on in.
It's so good to see you.
I'm glad you're here, girl. Come on in.
Right, let's get started.
Yeah.
Bridget, so glad you're back.
I'm glad I'm back. And wow, look at this room.
Yeah, we love this spot. This is kind of our little hangout spot right here.
Wow.
Can I get you some tea?
I would love some tea. Thank you. Yeah, this is amazing. It's so cozy with the fire and the colors are fresh.
Yeah, we considered changing this, but we decided not to.
No need to. I mean, with the ceiling details, the colors with the stone, I feel like this is actually the look that we're gonna bring inside.
Awesome.
So I would not touch this at all.
Well, I can't believe what you've done to the foyer. I mean, it has turned out just terrific.
I know, I was blown away. I hope you were.
We love it.
It's fresh, light, modern. I'm so excited.
The only thing we're gonna have left brown is this dog right here, Cooper.
What do you think we should tackle next? I know what I want to do.
We just need to do something soon because we have a deadline.
I know, and we've got a lot of spaces. At least this space will not be one we need to tackle.
The next one should be, since we finished the foyer, maybe leading right into the dining room.
That was my thought. We took that door off.
Yeah.
Now you enter, it's light and fresh, and you see the dark room adjoining it. So I say let's venture into that room, tackle that, modernize it, and I can't wait, I'm excited. I feel like this is very similar to the foyer. We need to lighten this up.
Right.
Tell me how you feel about this space.
This space is, again, really dark.
Yes.
With really masculine too, with the studs and the leather.
When we first did the renovation, we turned this into a billiards room, and then we realized we don't play pool.
Okay.
We kind of missed our dining room, so we turned it back into the dining room. So we put doors on here that really needed to go.
So now I feel like we have a hybrid. We have a dining room and a pool table room.
Right, pretty much, yeah.
It does have that masculine feel with the studded draperies, and this light definitely has that Tuscan old world feel.
Right.
So I definitely feel we need a new light. I think a bigger rug. We need to lighten up this trim work. It has the feeling of the ceiling coming down on me.
I agree.
So even though the woodwork and the coffer is gorgeous, I think we definitely need to paint that.
And it's really visible from so many areas of the house that I think it'll just lighten everything up.
For sure. We've got those beautiful pieces from Bermex that are gonna work fabulous. We've got the gorgeous new dining table, new dining chairs, and we picked out a great new credenza. This feels so large and the scale is huge. So I think that's gonna work out perfect.
Do you think we can keep these doors? I think they're pretty cool.
I do, and I know that you mentioned they're antique, and we did get rid of the door over here from the foyer, and so I feel like this is something that we could keep and keep open all the time so that it does feel like this is all one continuous flow.
Yeah, so you think we can keep all the trim work? There's a lot of kind of cool trim work in here.
I do. I just want it to feel more monochromatic, less transitions in color, and bring it all together. Okay, so I think our next step is to make our game plan.
Okay.
I really want to sit down with you two, go over the details, the fine details. We need paint samples. We need to go over the colors that we want to utilize in this space and really get that going.
Just make sure you run all this by Sophie, okay?
I will. I know she's the most important person in this decision. I thought it was Cooper.
No, it's Sophie. Let's do it.
Okay, I'm ready. I know we are focusing on the dining room, but I did bring samples for all areas, and I would especially like to make a decision on this backsplash. So I think we need to choose white so we can lighten up the kitchen. I've brought a Pickett marble, a Pickett subway, and then one of my favorites is this classic subway that mixes in a matte and a glossy.
Yeah.
So I feel like the matte will bring in your limestone range top hood. What do you think? What is your favorite?
I'm much more drawn to sort of this design.
This is sort of classic and modern.
Yeah.
The Pickett has a little bit of maybe a cathedral or Gothic feel.
Right.
Right.
So I can see why we're freshening up this might be a little bit more modern.
Yeah.
So then now let's get to paint, which is a huge decision in this
Right.
process because the paint is really going to transform the areas.
Yeah.
And so in the dining room, we know we have a lot of trim work. And so I brought some inspiration pictures to show you. And one in particular that I really love is this one for your dining room.
Oh, I love that.
Wow,
And
that would be
see
dramatic.
how they painted all the trim, the crown, and the wainscoting all the same color
Yes.
so that it's all united. I really feel that we should do that and then put a light color on the walls.
Guys, what are you doing?
We were checking out some
Making
paint colors.
decisions.
What do you think? It's gonna
Can
be
you
way
believe our
different, huh?
kitchen is gonna be this light?
This
Like
is going to
one?
be the dining room.
Did you see this picture right here? That's gonna be
The
the
dining
way the
room.
dining room looks. Maybe we'll use our dining room now. What do you
I
think?
know. Yes.
I have put several samples up here because some of these are my go-tos, some are new, but every house takes on the reflection, the lighting, the walls. We've got lots of natural elements in here that are going to make the color play off different. So like this one here, to me it's too stark for the house. So I'm really loving this one.
That is
So we're talking about for the cabinets.
Yes, for the whole kitchen perimeter. So the dining room, we have so much trim work. We've got the tall wainscoting, we've got the coffered ceiling, the door trim, the window trim. So I really want to lighten it up and do the walls either the simply white or the color of the foyer. And then all the trim work would be consistent, either this color that's on the board or the sample that we did beside it.
That's going to be dramatic.
Today we are installing the dining room. I can't wait to see all these pieces come together. We are unloading our 11 by 14 custom rug. We also have our simple, elegant chandelier, our gorgeous Bermex dining table and chairs, and lastly, we have an amazing china cabinet from Bermex that I cannot wait to fill with all our accessories.
I can't believe we've now rescued our second room, the dining room. Jenny and Jason are on their way. I'm getting the last touches done, the candles lit, the plates in order, and soon they will be here to see their next space that's done.
We're here.
Hello!
Hey.
We're ready for you!
Oh my.
This is insane.
Can you believe it?
You have got to be kidding me.
Welcome to your new dining room.
It's so different.
Isn't it beautiful?
Are we in the same?
Absolutely
Are we even in
amazing.
the same room?
I know.
Wow.
It was so dark.
It was so
How
dark.
did you do it?
I mean, honestly, I'm speechless myself. It's amazing.
Love it.
I cannot believe it. I mean, these walls were ostrich skin.
I know, and you know, we painted it, and now it's white ostrich skin.
Love it. And,
soft yet.
and it was so dark in here. I think the curtains covered most of those windows, and now it seems like a source of light.
Fun. I know. I have to say the paint was the biggest transformation in here. And then the light rug, which is beautiful and larger. The rug that you had before was actually too small. So this expands the room and makes it feel so much bigger.
Love it.
I love the light. It's like jewelry.
It is.
It's so pretty. I love that. And the bar cart. I've always wanted a bar cart.
You know, the two pieces that you saw and picked out at the Bermex showroom were the dining table and the buffet. And so besides that, we used what you had, your artwork, and then we added new.
Super cool. The lights. I didn't even notice that in the showroom. The backlights in the console.
It looks so beautiful and formal in here. I love seeing my mom's china showcased with the light in the buffet. That is just really special.
It is special. I can't wait for her to see this.
Me too.
It's going to be great to entertain
here.
right here.
Everybody's going to be so excited to see this.
It's amazing.
I think you're
This
going
is
to
magazine
make the,
cover worthy.
It was a design rescue.
Yes.